Hello everybody and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today we're installing a new towel rack. And it's pretty simple, so I don't think this will be a very long video. But the idea is first you got to figure out where you want it. And I've used this location. According to the boss, that's the right place. So let's get started. I've already put one of these up here, and let me show you what the next one's going to look like. But first, what you need to do is make sure that you get, well, you don't have to, but I try to do this, is make sure to get it level where you're going to put the second one, because you can see it can move around quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get that level and marked. There's not quite enough room for me and you in here, so let me do that. All right, so I have my mark here, and that's going to be the center of this. Now, what we're going to be doing is putting this on first. This little bracket that comes with them. And the way that works is that this little bracket, let me show you here, fits inside of here so that it, once you get it mounted on the wall, this will catch that, and then there's a little screw down here, right there. Can you see that screw? That you tighten it up with, and it pulls it together, and voila, you have it hooked on there. And it looks like you don't have anything holding it on there, because it's nice and it's underneath and subtle. So I try to make these underneath like that so that you can't see them. All right, so the next thing is, because this is that's probably not got a stud back there. It doesn't sound like it does. So we're going to use the wall fasteners that they've included, and that is, I'll show you how I do it. So that's our two little wall fasteners in place, and then we just use our screwdriver again and start these. And I'll show you what's happening behind the wall. Good. Yeah, let me show you what's happening behind the wall there. All right, so this is kind of a wing approach to wall fastening. There's a couple of ways to do it, but so what you saw is I closed them up, pushed them through the wall, and then they immediately start to spring open. But when you screw this in, what happens is it pushes those little wings out up against the wall. So you can do this. And you see it here. So those wings are now pushed up against the wall, and it sucks it into the wall nicely. So that's how that works. Now it's time to install this part, but you got to put this in first. Notice I left the other one a little bit loose. You can hear it clunking around over there. And then I slide it up here, and now you got it. Okay, so that's on there. Let me back up and show you. So that's on there, but it's loose. So now I'm going to tighten it up with our little wrench that's included. This is called an Allen wrench because it's got that kind of hex shape on it. And then what we do is come down underneath. Let me do that. I'll come down and show you. Just come under here with this little wrench. It's a little tedious, but there we go. Kind of hold it in place until it gets started and pushing on it. Of course, if you ever want to take it off to paint or something like that, you just have, if you keep this little wrench around, put it in a Ziploc bag or something with a label, put it in the drawer next to the sink, then you can find it later. So speed this up for you. There we go. I'm going to do this one and tighten it up. Actually, not enough room for me and you. And there you have it. Towel rack installed. So hopefully you have good luck with your projects installing towel racks and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below, and we'll catch you on the next video. See ya. Bye.